नए आप लोगों का स्वागत है इस नए चैनल वे टू IIM में। और आज हम सीखेंगे क्विक कैलकुलेशन करना एक ट्रिक की मदद से, कैलकुलेटिंग द स्क्वायर ऑफ द नंबर एंडिंग विथ 5। सो व्हाट वी विल डू हियर, लेट्स सी। सो एनी नंबर which ends with 5, calculating the square of such a number which is ending with 5 is very easy. You know what is 5 square? It is equal to 25. You know what is 25 square? You can easily tell me that it is 625. You can tell me that what is the square of 15. Many of you know that it will be 225. But what happens if I would ask you that what is the square of 125, 105, 235, for which we can calculate by multiplying, but that would be some longer. And in the exam, especially this type of management exams like CAT, ZET, here we need to know that whatever we have to solve it in a very short span of time. So let's see what are the steps in calculating the square of the numbers which ends with 5. First thing which you should know, that in the square of the number which ends with the 5, first and most important thing is that the last digit of such a number, a square of such a number, will be 25. Now for calculating the digits before 25 in the square of the number, what we have to do is simply you can consider a number in the form of x and 5. So if we remove 5, then whatever is left is x. Now what we have to do is to multiply the x with x plus 1, then we will get all the digits in the square of the number before these two last digits, which are 25. Now we can solve it by taking an example. We can understand it easily. Now consider a number, say simple number first, which answer is इसका आंसर आप जानते हो, whose answer you know, that is 25 square. Now simply what we have to do, as soon as we see that the number last digit is 5, we should know, and it is necessary that it comes in our mind that the square of the number will ends with the two numbers which are 25. Now the numbers before 25, what are they in the square? Simply compare 25 with the number x5, which is a standard form. Then what comes from here, that x is 2. Now when we multiply x with x plus 1, then x plus 1 would be 3, and 2 and 3 is equal to 6. So what is our answer? Answer would be 625. It is right. Take another example, 45. Now in the case of 45, it is also ends with 5. So 5 square is 25. Now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the numbers before 25 in the square. Simply if we compare with the standard form x5, then x is equal to 4, x plus 1 is equal to 5. Simply calculate 4 into 5, with what comes? It comes 20. So our square would be 2025, which is right. Now I have given you the trick. Now it is very necessary that you should practice those tricks. If you do not practice, then you will forget. Just two examples: calculate 105 square and 235 square simply by this trick, and then compare it by calculating such a number squares in your calculator. So today, in this video, I would like to wrap up this video by telling you that how to calculate the square of the numbers ending with 5. Simply only two steps are there. You can easily calculate them. If you have any question, any doubt, you can simply mail me on my mail ID, which is way2IM feedback@gmail.com. Don't forget to like the video and to subscribe the video. Thank you.